Hello, I'm Dr. Tom Crichton, and I'm the lead physician here at the City of Lakes Family Health Team. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues on, we are thrilled about the promising COVID vaccines that have started to be given locally. My colleagues and I have heard a lot of questions from patients about these vaccines. As you know, COVID-19 is a new and deadly virus, and medical researchers around the world collaborated to develop several vaccines offering protection from this terrible disease. Some of these have involved newer technologies, and the rapid pace in development and approval was unprecedented, so I understand why people have questions. I've been educating myself on the science around these vaccines, and I'd like to share a few thoughts with you. First, you can be confident that the two vaccines currently approved for use in Canada, those from Pfizer and Moderna, are extremely safe and effective. No steps were skipped in the process of developing, testing, approving, and producing these vaccines. Tremendous resources were applied to allow the necessary steps in vaccine development to occur more rapidly than had been the case in the past. Unlike the usual process for vaccine research, where study results are forwarded to Health Canada at the end of the process of development, Canada's best independent scientists were provided data at several early stages in and then throughout the research and testing of these vaccines. They have thoroughly reviewed all this data and have concluded that these vaccines are safe and effective. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines are a type of shot designed to protect against infectious diseases. The same technology has been used in other vaccines and is used in some cancer treatments. The purpose of the mRNA vaccine is to mimic the virus and get your body to build an immunity to it. It does not change your own DNA or your genes. The vaccine cannot give you COVID-19 because it doesn't contain the virus. Instead, the vaccine will train your immune system to recognize COVID-19 and respond quickly to protect you if you're ever exposed to the actual virus. The published research studies for these two vaccines involved large numbers of people and demonstrated remarkable effectiveness and clear safety, with normal side effects similar to other vaccines that have been available for a long time. These vaccines offered protection against COVID disease in the 94 to 95% range, which is a fantastic result. Early results from countries where the vaccine has been given to larger groups of people have shown that they are working to lower the chances of people being infected with COVID-19. We continue to watch very closely for problems with the vaccines, but so far millions and millions of people have been given these shots around the world, and there have been no serious concerns noted. Other vaccines, including those from AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson, are being actively studied by Health Canada now, and could soon be approved as well for delivery and use in Canada. COVID-19 is much more serious than the flu. If you are infected with it and do not develop a severe COVID infection yourself, you may still pass on the virus to someone else who could become very ill or die. If you're vaccinated, you're helping to protect your family, your friends, and your neighbors. This pandemic and the resulting strict public health measures that have been put in place will not end until the majority of us are vaccinated. Ontario and our own local health unit have a plan for giving the vaccines in order of need, based mostly on the fact that those at high risk of dying from COVID should get the vaccine before others. You may know that as of early February, local nursing home residents had already started to get vaccinated. That's great news. You can feel confident that when you are offered the vaccine, it's because it's the right time for you to get it. This is your chance to roll up your sleeves and end the pandemic. Me and my family, as well as my colleagues and theirs, will all be getting the vaccine. I would strongly encourage you to join us. Get informed, get vaccinated, and encourage others to do the same. Thank you.